My name is Elisa. I am 35 years old. I have a husband. His name is Daniel. We have one son. His name is Leo. He is 8 years old. We were married for 11 years. I love my husband deeply. I trusted him completely. I believed he was a good man. Daniel was calm, responsible, dependable. He worked hard. He came home on time, every single day. I never felt afraid of losing him. I truly believed our marriage was strong. I never checked his phone. I never doubted him. Until one night, everything changed. One Friday evening, Daniel told me he had a work dinner. His team was celebrating the end of a project. He said he might come home late. I was tired that day. Leo was already asleep. So I said, okay. I stayed home, watching television, not knowing that this ordinary night would change my life. Daniel came home very late. He did not wake me. The next morning, something felt wrong. He was quiet, too quiet. He sat at the table and did not eat. I looked at him and asked softly, Daniel, are you okay? He stared at me for a long time. Then he said, Elisa, I need to tell you something. My heart began to race. He said, last night, I met someone from my past. She was at the dinner. We talked. I drank too much. I swallowed and asked, and he took a deep breath. I kissed her. Everything inside me went cold. It was only a kiss, he said quickly. Nothing else happened. It was a mistake. Please, forgive me. I stood up. My hands were shaking. You kissed another woman? I asked. He nodded. I didn't plan it, he said. It just happened. Those words hurt the most. I cried. I shouted. I asked him how he could do this to me. He kept saying sorry. He kept saying it meant nothing. But to me, it meant everything. I told him to leave the house. He looked shocked. Please, Elisa, think about Leo. I looked straight at him and said, you should have thought about him before that kiss. He packed a small bag and left. That night, the house felt empty. I couldn't sleep. I thought about our wedding day, the day Leo was born, the life we built together. But every time I saw that kiss in my mind, Daniel called. He sent messages. He said he loved me. He said he would do anything to fix this. I didn't answer. I still loved him, but I no longer trusted him. And love without trust feels unsafe. It feels painful. Days turned into weeks. Life became quiet. Daniel no longer lived with us, but he came every weekend to see Leo. I never stopped him. He was a good father. Leo was always happy to see him. One evening, Leo looked at me and asked, Mommy, why doesn't Daddy sleep here anymore? I held him close and said softly, sometimes adults make mistakes, but we both love you very much. That was the truth. Daniel changed after that night. He stopped drinking. He stopped going out. He never pressured me to forgive him. He waited. He respected my silence. 1 year passed. I became stronger. I learned how to live without depending on him. I found peace. I wasn't happy, but I was calm. One afternoon, Daniel came early to drop Leo home. He helped me clean the kitchen. Then he looked at me and said, Can we talk? I nodded. He said, I know I broke your trust. I know sorry is not enough. He paused. But I have changed, not for you, not for Leo, for myself. I listened quietly. I'm not asking you to forget, he said. I'm asking you to see who I am, now. I looked at him. He looked honest. He looked tired. He looked real. I looked outside. Leo was playing in the garden, laughing loudly. I remembered the pain, the night my heart broke, but I also remembered the year of effort, the patience, the respect. I took a deep breath and said, I forgive you. Daniel's eyes filled with tears. Not because I am weak, I continued, but because I am strong, and because you truly changed. He held my hands gently. That evening, Leo hugged us both and smiled. Our family was no longer perfect, but it was honest. It was real. Sometimes love needs time. Sometimes trust needs proof. And sometimes second chances are not mistakes. They are choices. Subscribe for more meaningful stories.